Hello everyone, I'm your friend in Excel. The last time I have introduced you guys how to set the software side of the drone. Now I'm going to introduce you guys the hardware side, which is how to set a remote controller and how to construct the fly. From here, you can say this is our drone in the real world. I just bought this from the internet. I just used a USB line to connect this drone and my computer. After that, if you open the Q ground control, you will say that your drone has already been connected. Now we click the setting button. We would see a lot of parameters that we can adjust. If everything goes fine, you will say these selections will be all wrong. I mean, you would say those green LED light up. For this particular drone that we have in real life, the airframe, we would select the general ground rotor X. For sensor setup, you can just try it by yourself. I won't cover it in this tutorial. Now let's go to the key part of our tutorial in this video, the radio. In this section, you can configure your remote controller. In the real life, the remote controller may look like this. It's actually a radio sender and receiver. It can be used to control your drone in a long distance. When you change those things in this remote controller, this section will be changed according to your action. From here, if you click the flight modes, you will see a page like this. Here you got different flight mode. Each mode has its own function. For example, if you set the drone to manual mode, you have to control the drone totally by yourself. It's not easy, trust me. Sometimes you will go to danger by doing this. Another mode that you can choose is the altitude. In this mode, the drone will keep in a fixed altitude. The z-axis won't change during that time, but the drone will draft in the xy plane. However, if you choose the position mode in here, the drone will stay at an exact point. The xyz axis won't change by using this mode. In the end, it's the land mode. If you choose this mode, the drone will be land immediately. Now we are in the power configuration page. In here, we can see a lot of numbers. Normally, you don't have to change those parameters if you are using a drone just like me. Then we come to the safety configuration page. In this page, you can define those actions that when something strange happens to your drone. For example, remote controller loss. When that thing happened, here, just set land mode. So when that thing happens, my drone will land immediately. It's very useful at some times. So I recommend you guys to set it before you regret later. For those parameters, I don't want to go deep in those things because it's just too many. What I want to do is give you a simple idea about how to use it. For example, here I'm going to type brake. Now what you can say is the list of parameters that about the brake. If you set the buzzer to this, to the max value, the drone won't make a sound. If you set the supply check to this max value, also, even if you did something wrong with your battery, the drone can still be set up and start to fly. Now I'm going to show you the drone that flies in or real life, to be specific, indoor. First, I have to arm this drone. After the arm, the motor will start. Then I'm going to switch the mode to position mode. So in this way, the drone will fly in a stable manner. Now I'm going to increase the power. So you would say the drone will start to fly. It's quite good, doesn't it? Okay, now I'm disarmed this drum. That's a basic showing about how this drone works. You may wonder why I can fly that drone indoor. Well, it's simple because I just used a optical flow sensor, and I enabled that by setting PX4 AID mask to use optical flow only. If you want to know more, feel free to search this page to get more details. By general, you are fine by using GPS to fly outdoor. Okay, that's today's tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Bye.